Hello everyone, today I am going to explain the phylum Annelida. It is also invertebrate phylum, and here Annelida means annulus. So we can divide the term. Annulus means rings. Small ring-like, for example, organism is like this. We have a small ring-like structures present in the organism, that is called Annelida. The name comes with the annulus rings. This is coined by the Lamarck. So you have to remember the scientist, if any, also important. So Porifera, Robert Grant. So here Annelida, Lamarck. These are aquatic and also some are terrestrial. These are free living organisms and also some are parasites. Example here leech, Hyrodinia. Then organ system level of organization. From Platyhelminthes, the organisms are organ system level of organization. These are triploblasticans. Triploblasticans always showing bilateral symmetry. Triplo means ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Then the first coelomic organisms, schizocoelomates. Here schizocoelomate means splitting of the mesoderm. So already I done with a video of coelom and what are the mesoderm, ectoderm, endoderm, how the coelom is formed and what are the type of coeloms. Once if you have a doubt, once you can watch. Schizocoelomic organisms or annelidans. Then they show a metameric segmented body plan. Metameric means segmentation. So before phylum Nematoda, unsegmented body plan. Even though in Platyhelminthes also pseudo-metameric or pseudo-segmentation is there. But in Annelida, it is the special feature also there. In the statement-wise questions, they may ask in the MCET and NEET, the segmented body plan first seen in which phylum. And also, they may ask the characters of the special characters of the Annelida in the statements. You have to choose right or wrong statements. So remember, first coelomic organisms, schizocoelomates, and metamerically segmented body plans also there, annual rings also there. And here the respiration is done by the diffusion. So by the skin of the organism they can diffuse the respiration. So here it has a respiratory pigment like same of us, that is hemoglobin and also chlorochlorine. And also the special here the most and very important feature and MCQ's repeated question is it has a closed circulatory system. In all invertebrates, only Annelida having the closed circulatory system, and also Annelida invertebrate and cephalopoda, this is belongs to mollusca. These two only having closed circulatory system among all invertebrate phyla. This is very, very important in the MCQs. Remaining all phylums, remaining classes of mollusca also having open circulatory system. These two are exceptions. So in Annelida, closed circulatory system is present. And the special sense organ like structures, parapodia. This is also 2 marks important in the IPE. These are lateral appendages. For example, the organism is like this. It has a lateral appendages. Number of lateral appendages are present. It is useful for the locomotion, respiration and as well as swimming. So this is important for even MCQ and also 2 marks questions. Example organism Nereis. So parapodia is the structure of lateral appendages of the organism. What is the use of parapodia means? Swimming, locomotion and respiration. The excretion is done by the metanephridia. In the Platyhelminthes, P, protonephridia or flame cells. In the Nematoda, renate glands. In Annelida, it is metanephridia. So remember, metamers also present and segmented body is present. Metanephridia also present for the excretion. Respiration by the diffusion. nerve ring is present with paired ganglia, and here double ventral nerve cord also present. The sense organs are eyes, palps and tentacles. These are dioecious organisms. Some are dioecious, some are monoecious. Dioecious means sexes are separate. Here example Nereis. And monoecious, sexes are not separate. Example earthworm and leech. These three are the example organisms of the Annelida. In Nereis, male organism is there, female organism is there. But in earthworm and leeches, only one organism is there. In that one organism, the male gametes are produced, female gametes are produced. In the dioecious, indirect development occur means larva is present. In monoecious, also we have a, if any, we have a larva. Then the larva name is strocophore larva. So you have to remember each individual phylums and also individual larvas of each phylum. So example Ferritima, earthworm, Nereis. Special feature is parapodia is present. Leech, it has a batrodial tissue. 2 marks questions from this topic. And these are ectoparasites. So it is a ectoparasite, that is blood sucking parasite. It will suck the blood of the host. So this total gathering of the blood, it will store in the tissue, that is called batrodial tissue. The grey bunch like structures, they can store the calcium and iron in the cavity of the organism, that is called batrodial tissue. Parapodia belongs to Nereis. Batrodial tissue belongs to leech. These two are important 2 marks questions in the IP. Common names. In the Nereis, the common names are sandworm, ragworm, calmworm. Aphrodite, sea mouse. Sea anemone seen in another phylum. Here sea mouse, that is Aphrodite. Aranicola, lugworm. So remember, don't get confused regarding worms. Generally we seen worms, roundworms in the Nematoda phylum. But even though we have a worms, sandworm, ragworm, camworm and lugworms in the Annelida also. So in the MCQ questions, they may give a confused questions like these common names. So be ready and be remember all the common names of the organisms. So these are the important general characters of the Annelida. Thank you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.